Question 10 is 5 marks. This is Cambridge Extended Non-Calculator. So the question gave you some drawing here, and they said there is polygon A, polygon B, and polygon C. 3 regular polygons A, B, and C meet at a point. The interior angles of the polygons are in this ratio. A to B to C is equal to 3 to 4 to 5. Show that polygon C has twice the number of sides as polygon B. This is a nice question. You can pause the video and try it yourself. So let's do it. The first thing is we add the ratios. Let me just move it a little bit. This is better now, isn't it? So let's add the ratios. 3 plus 4 plus 5. 3 plus 4 is 7, plus 5 is 12. So the ratio is 12. Now, they meet at this point, and the point is 360. So we will do 360 divided by 12. 36 divided by 12 is 3. And then we add that 0. This is what I did. I did 36 divided by 12 is 3. And then I brought this 0. So the ratio is 30. Now let's see what's the question. The question asks us to find the sides of C and B. Alright, so let's see how we will do that. C, what's the ratio of C? It's 5, isn't it? Yes. So it's going to be 5 times 30. That means this angle here is 150, is 5 times 30. And for B, this is it here. The shares of B are 4. So it's going to be 4 times 30. 4 times 3 is 12. So 4 times 30 is 120. That's very good. Now, how do we know the number of sides? If you know the interior angle, think of the exterior angle. The exterior angle of B is going to be 180 minus 120, which is 60, isn't it? If the exterior angle is 60, the number of sides is equal to 360 divided by the exterior. 360 divided by 60, this 0 cancels the 0, and then you end up by 36 divided by 6, which is 6. Now polygon B has 6 nice sides. Now let's think of polygon C. Since the interior angle is 150, so the exterior is going to be 180 minus 150, which is equal to 30. We got the exterior? Yes. What do we do next? We find the number of sides. How do we do that? We do 360 divided by the exterior, which is 30. Cancel these zeros. So 36 divided by 3, which is 12. And that's proved because 12 is double of 6. So we proved that the number of sides of polygon C is twice the number of sides of polygon B. And that's your 5 marks. Was it easy?